buddy. We got the cross. Alright, next. Big guy. Hello, yes, I do realize that I am using Bernie instead of Misty, an animated character, in order to make this outro. I just felt lazy and I didn't want to draw. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you want me to open up more geodes. I have 12 more waiting out there to be opened. So yeah, and this was a lot of fun to do instead of my usual thing of drawing. So yeah, comment down below if you want another geode video. Anyway, bye-bye.